Welcome back to part 2. We're at drill 4 and we're looking at the answers. We already noted that the independent variable was job role, going between supervisor or the volunteers, and the dependent variable being willingness to volunteer. And third is the hypothesis. This statement is a hypothesis. We know that because at the end, there is no question mark, which is our big clue, but also this is making a prediction. So look at the statement. It says supervisors are more likely than employees to be volunteers for organizational work in the community. This is making a prediction about what will happen between the variables. So we know this to be an educated guess, a supported claim, being a hypothesis. So just to conclude our great conversation from last week, that is the difference between research questions and hypotheses. And the goal is to make sure that what you use lines up with the body of research that you have provided before. So it's all about how you conduct and structure your research. If you have enough research previously in the literature to make a claim, you should be using a hypothesis. If you don't have enough research to really make an educated guess or a hypothesis, you need to ask a research question. So both of them have a purpose, but they are not interchangeable. So it's important to make sure that you are asking a research question if you're supposed to, and that you're making a hypothesis if you're supposed to. So make sure that those are in line with your previous research. And if you have more questions or need help, I can help put that together for you, but that's very important for the success of your final paper. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you need more help or more questions, feel free to reach out or contact me and we can go further.